I have TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly you have to open Settings, then go to the Apps section, then go to the Special App Access, Install Unknown Apps, and here you can see the whole list of the apps through which you can install unknown applications, for example Firefox. You just tap Allow from this source, and now you can install unknown apps through the Firefox as much as you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.